Hello my love, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make a new variation of a French twist. In my opinion, a French twist is an amazing hairstyle, but this regular one is too boring. We'll begin with brushing our hair and making a parting on the side we like. And then we want to select our section like I'm showing here. Basically, it's a little more than half of our hair, and we will make with all this section a middle ponytail. Now we want to twist it and wrap it around the elastic, creating a roll shape like I'm showing here. Make sure to pin it in place well. Then, grabbing the rest of our hair, we want to brush it with our fingers or using a comb, and then we want to twist it, kind of creating our French twist, covering just a little bit of our bun. At this point we want to pin it so we can keep our French twist shape, and then we want to twist it, creating this little roll, and then again twist it around our bun, hiding this inside created pocket like I'm showing here. You want to pin everything in place, pull a little bit of hair to make it voluminous looking, and they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what to think about this easy but different French twist. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys, see you soon, mwah, bye!